Okay, we got a little Johnson 3 horsepower Seahorse. Not sure what the year is on this. Guessing it's probably maybe early 90s. I guess it'd been in kind of storage for a while. They brought it over for me to try to get it running. I've done a couple of things on it. I kind of checked and see if it had compression. Of course, it's got the wrong spark plugs. It seems like everybody does this. They just think they can throw whatever plugs they want in it. These are the plugs that are in it. NGK BR6S. Not even close. It's a Champion QL77 JC4 plug that goes in this. One of the questions he had was, he looked and said that the fuel to oil ratio was 100:1. What should the fuel ratio be? If it's got needle bearings, you know, instead of like the needle roller bearings, then you're at 100:1. That's what our mixture should be. Right off the bat, I noticed that he's got a broken, see it? He's got a broken cable there. So that's probably the reason it won't stay running. I mean, it is moving back and forth, but that's definitely broken. So that's probably one of our issues. But I'm gonna go ahead and go through some of the steps and just see that he does have fire. One of the big problems is this tank is kind of the way to get my spark plug boot. Cause see, you can dial these in to like an 1/8 inch. I'm gonna see if I can get, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Maybe I can get it on this one and that one on there. It's not a real good place to get a ground. Yeah, I saw spark on one. Yeah, I got it on both. Okay, I took the bottom cowl off just to make it easier to get it here. It's just a clip and a couple of small little screws and a couple what is it, 3/8 bolts on the bottom. So it's getting fuel. Cause I got fuel on the, you can see it on that spark plug. There's fuel on that spark plug. Yeah, and there's fuel on that one as well. Yeah, it's way more than we need, but alright, I'm just starting it here, and so I'm holding the trigger plate. I'm kind of pushing it in so I can get it to start. Without the throttle cable that has a broken throttle cable, this wouldn't work. Now, I'm just holding the throttle in because that cable is messed up, so that's what it is. If I let it go back, it's probably going to die out. Okay, so this one needs a new throttle cable, so I'll text it to this guy and let him know, see what he wants to do. I'll see if I can even get the part. And so anyway, this is working and that's good, but throttle cable is definitely quite a bit off. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing.